In the realm of culinary delights, few things rival the satisfaction of a plate of perfectly cooked homemade pasta. The tender strands, infused with flavors that store-bought varieties simply can't match, elevate any meal to a gourmet experience. Welcome to FooDooLoo, where we believe that making pasta from scratch is not just a culinary skill, but a form of artistry. In this essay, we will delve into the step-by-step process of crafting your own homemade pasta, ensuring that every dish you create is infused with love and authenticity. The beauty of homemade pasta. There's something inherently special about homemade pasta. Beyond the superior taste and texture, there's a sense of pride and connection to tradition that comes with making it yourself. Whether you're kneading the dough by hand or using a pasta machine, the process is a labor of love that yields delicious results. Ingredients. To embark on your homemade pasta journey, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: flour, eggs, salt, and perhaps a touch of olive oil. While some recipes call for additional ingredients like semolina flour or water, the basic foundation remains the same. The key is to use high-quality ingredients to ensure the best possible flavor and texture in your pasta. Making the dough. The first step in making homemade pasta is creating the perfect dough. 1 large egg per cup of flour used. Start by mounding your flour on a clean work surface, creating a well in the center. Crack your eggs in the well, add a pinch of salt, and if desired, a drizzle of olive oil. Using a fork, gradually incorporate the flour into the eggs until a shaggy dough forms. Then, knead the dough by hand until it becomes smooth and elastic, about 8 to 10 minutes. Resting the dough. Once your dough is kneaded to perfection, it's time to let it rest. This allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to roll out and shape. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and let it rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, or up to an hour for optimal results. Rolling and shaping. After the dough has had time to rest, it's time to roll it out into thin sheets. If you have a pasta machine, this process is relatively simple. Just feed the dough through the machine, gradually decreasing the thickness until you reach your desired pasta shape. If you're rolling the dough by hand, use a rolling pin to flatten it into thin sheets, taking care to maintain an even thickness throughout. Cutting and cooking. Once your pasta sheets are rolled out, it's time to cut them into your desired shape. Whether you prefer fettuccine, spaghetti, or ravioli, there's a pasta shape for every occasion. Use a sharp knife or pasta cutter to slice the dough into strips or shapes. Then cook the pasta in a pot of salted boiling water until al dente, typically 2 to 4 minutes depending on the thickness of the pasta. Making homemade pasta is a rewarding endeavor that allows you to create delicious, authentic dishes from scratch. With just a few simple ingredients and some patience, you can master the art of pasta making and impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. So grab your flour, eggs, and rolling pin, and let's get cooking with FooDooLoo. Like, comment, and subscribe, so we'll see you on the next video.